Sissy is going home because she's falling apart due to the time of the month.
I am. You know, Auntie is visiting me and I'm broken, sisters, amigas.
Auntie is a hoe.
Oh.
No, hindi ko makamating beef ko to rin. Kimao, no kidding?
Ni beef, ni chicken, ni fish.
Hard working every day, I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts, wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away.
Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross and I'm back at it again with yet another video. Today's video is gonna be another vlog. I am currently in the city of Antwerp. I'm about to go get my nails done because they look wretched AF, so it's time to give them a little touch up, fill up, whatever you want to call it. I just went and got me a cheeseburger from McDonald's and I also have an apple juice. Not the best breakfast, but there's nothing really else here to take. I figured I would do that. After I get my nails done, I'm gonna go to the Netherlands. I'm gonna go visit my mom because I have a collaboration that I have coming up with and Luisa, and it involves my mother because it is a Mother's Day video. So yeah, that's what I'm about to go do, and I want enough time to film and edit the video. So that's why I'm going today, and I will be at my mom's for the next 3 days. I think Saturday I'm gonna come back home, and it's currently Wednesday as I'm filming this. So yeah, I thought I would film like a little vlog for you. And yeah, right now I'm gonna eat my cheeseburger because I'm pretty early, and then after that I'm gonna go to get my nails done. But yeah, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. And let's go ahead and get into it. Finished having my little breakfast. And now it's time to go get my nails done. Let's go. Oh, by the way, this is a before. Let's go get the after.
And boom, nails are done.
With your arms around me. If we stay here like this, it's the only place where I wanna be. This is as long as we go. your arms around me. If we stay here like this, it's the only place where I wanna be. And this is as long as we go.
With my sis. What up, what up, what up? What up, what up, what up? We just did a potty break and now we're
Potty break. That shit sounds like we're toddlers or something.
we're kind
We
of
is not toddlers. I'm a grown ass woman.
Okay, okay.
Woman.
Still look like a 3-year-old though. Alright, amiga, I just hopped off the train. We went for a little potty break and now we're gonna take some time lapses while we chit chat, do some redo, and have our coffee. So excited to see my sis, and then later after this we're gonna get roti. My mom didn't want roti, so I need to like tell her still that I'm getting roti, because hopefully she wants that too. Otherwise we need to figure that out. But yeah, time lapse it is. Cheers, amiga.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Como ya la vi solita, pues me pregunté qué pasa cuando me bailó cerquita. Eso fue descomunal. Dale, dale, tra, tú sabes cómo es. Vamos a hacerlo, mami, contra la pared. No me dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3. Dale, dale, tra, tú sabes cómo es. Vamos a hacerlo, mami, contra la pared. No me dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3.
Alright, amiga, we changed angles. We're now in front of the central station of Rotterdam, and we just finished taking a few time lapse and just catch up a little bit. And now we're gonna go get some food for us and for my mom. I already called my mom and she said that she didn't want roti, so we're gonna make an exception or whatever and get her some bami, or what is it called again? Chow mein. We're gonna get her chow mein as she requested, and then we're gonna get a roti, and then I think that's it for today. Yeah, for us then. So yeah, that's it for the little updates. We're taking in some sun. It's good. It's a good time, and yeah. Neo, zeg iets tegen Benayo.
Benayo, eet me this.
En wie is het?
Jake. Jake. Maakt niet uit, ik ken hem.
Oké. Alright.
Waar ik woon. In
Ah.
Flat, man.
We are now at Rotterdam getting our roti. Nose is inside waiting for the roti. We already made our order, and yeah, now we're waiting. All right, amiga, it's time to part our ways.
I'm gonna go the other way.
Sissy is going home because she's falling apart due to the time of the month.
I am. You know, Auntie is visiting me and I'm broken, sisters, amigas.
Auntie is a hoe.
No, Auntie.
Anyways, I'm gonna go to my mom now. update. I am at my mom's. She's enjoying her food. What are you eating, Mom? Chow mein.
Chow mein.
Chow mein. And I have roti. Let me open it up for you to see. Here is my roti. Ooh.
Finally don't get no fuss. Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say.
So amiga, we're now at Tanchidinga's house. This is my aunt, Tanchidinga. And I came to visit her and see how she's doing because the last time I was here, I wasn't able to come over. And now my mom is again in the kitchen cooking. And yeah, so that's the little update. Say hi to the vlog. Hello. Alright amiga, it is now Thursday, it's the next day, and I just came back from the supermarket. It's now 1 o'clock and I need to start working in 30 minutes, but I'm gonna quickly share with you the things that I got at the supermarket. The first thing I got is spinach. I don't know, my mom asked me to do so I did. She's gonna make something with that tonight. Then I also got a few things for our brunch. I got this pizza. It's a margarita pizza because my sister is pescatarian, or vegetarian. She just likes the vegetarian option or the pescatarian option. So I just kept that into consideration. I have some fresh fruits for our little brunch. Also got some berries because I want to make banana bread and share with my mom how I do it. I got some tea, my favorite one, which is forest fruit, I think. And then one more because it was a deal, 2 packages for 1. Then I also got some stuff for smoothies, but also to make us tomorrow, because tomorrow my mom has the day off. And then I want to make us some smoothies like Benny and I always do. Then we also have some vegetarian pulled chicken because my mom is gonna make some spring rolls with that, and then she can use this to make it for my sister. And we also have some vegan bacon. You see that? And also some normal bacon just in case my mom and I just want to eat the normal one. We got a banana bread mixture from Koopmans. We got some focaccia, I forgot about that. Also to add to our little brunch. I got coffee syrup because I want to make us whipped coffee. Soy milk, vanilla soy milk. My favorite and also my sister's favorite. Sleepy tea. Maybe if my mom doesn't want to keep it, then I'm gonna bring it home because that tea is bomb. Then honey, because my sister loves honey, and also we need that for on top of pancakes, maybe in tea, things like that. So that. Butter to also make the banana bread. And then bananas to obviously make the banana bread, but also to make me and my mom smoothies tomorrow morning. And then I also have 2 of the Cool Best drinks. One with the strawberries and orange, and the other one is pineapple. I really wanted to try this one and see how I like it. And that's it. There are a few other things that I need to get, but I'm gonna get them on Saturday morning. Tomorrow my mom and I are also gonna pick up some other snacks to have at our brunch. So yeah, I hope it's gonna be fun. That's gonna be a video on its own because it is in collaboration with Ana Luisa. So it's gonna be a video on its own and it will be uploaded next week. So stay out on the look for that. But yes, we're filming that on Saturday. And I'm gonna put all of this away right now and start getting ready to start working because it's almost time. Alright, amiga, I changed into a little comfy two-piece set and I'm ready to start working. I have 10 minutes. I just read all my emails. And yeah, it's now time to start working it's not time yet. I still have 10 minutes. So I can chill for 10 minutes before I have to start working. But I really enjoyed this morning. I should come visit my mom more often because especially when having like the whole morning off, it was so nice to still have the shopping center so close. Like it was just a walking distance and super nice to just go and, you know, get your groceries and all of that. And where I live in Belgium, that's really not that possible because I'm not that close to supermarkets and stuff, which, you know, I'm still grateful for the fact that I live there, but I just had a little appreciation for the fact that I have the feeling that I did so much today before I started working, and it was really, really nice. And I'm also happy that I have like most of the stuff for my little brunch that I'm gonna do on Saturday with my mom and my sister. So yeah, just a few things that I need to get still, but I was really happy that I was able to get that done already. And yeah, the things that I need like flowers and a cake and stuff, I'm gonna get them on Saturday because there's no point in getting that 2 days in advance. So yeah, that's that. I have a team meeting at 1:30 and that's gonna be for a whole hour, and then after that I'm a mentor today to work in like new colleagues that are starting with the business that I work for. So it's promising to be a very chill day, I think, for me. So yeah, that's that. Alright, amiga, it's now dinner time. Mom made some delicious food. Let me show you. She made spaghetti. And she also made like chicken wings and a salad. Bon appetit, mama.
Dankjewel.
I don't understand why you're thinking of me. You had me at alone. I don't understand why you're thinking of me. You had me at alone.
Good morning, amiga. It is the next day. Today is Friday. And me and my mom are on our way to go pick up some pastries. Like, they are savory pastries. So we're gonna do that. We're also gonna do like a few little errands that my mom needs to get done. And then I need to head back home to start working at 1:30. But yeah, we're on our way. We're in the car. So bon dia, mama.
Moro.
Bon dia.
Good morning.
Yeah, so yeah, that's that. Let's go now. Wat is sterk. Okay. Mama, nou als je die mama maakt in beef kunt erin, die mama nog een
Niet beef, niet chicken, niet fish.
Alright, amiga, mom and I have been home for a while. And now I'm gonna start prepping for tomorrow. And I'm gonna start by making some banana bread. That's one of the only things that I can prepare like one day in advance. So I'm gonna do that so that I don't have too much to do tomorrow. And yeah, so let me show you how I make it. I've done this so many times, but I always still get questions about it. So I will talk you through this part and let you know how I make this banana bread. Let's make it. So here are my ingredients. I'm gonna use this mixture, but normally I can also use like normal flour and make it from scratch, but I decided to take this mixture, and it says that you need to add like 125 grams of butter, 4 eggs, and 4 bananas. And you can also add pecan nuts, but I'm gonna do blueberries because that's just my favorite recipe to make. And here I have the eggs, and also instead of butter, I like to make it with sunflower oil. I'm gonna start off by measuring it in a cup. I like to use 100 mils of the oil, 100 mils. And then what I like to do is peel my bananas and put them in my bowl. Okay, and then with this thing, I like to mash up all the bananas. Then I like to add in 2 bags of vanilla sugar. And then I mix that in as well. Just like that. Then I like to add in my oil. So I'm gonna put 100 mils of oil in the mixture. Then with a whisk, we are gonna whisk it all up. Normally I like to use cinnamon, but today I'm going to use this. This is the 5 spices mix. And I'm just going to eyeball it. Add some of there in there. This is amazing in cookies and stuff. And it also has the cinnamon in it already. So just mix that up. We're now going to add in this mixture. It smells super, super nice. I'm going to do half of the bag. And then mix it up. That looks good. And we're gonna do some more. And I'm also gonna wash the blueberries in the meantime. So I take this cup, it still has a little bit of the oil in it, but I'm gonna put my berries in there, a good amount. And then I like to add in a little bit of the flour on top of the berries, and then toss it around. Like just coat them a little bit with a little bit of the flour. Like that, that's fine. And then we add in the rest of the powder or the mixture. Let's see. And we mix it around. Ooh, making a mess. That looks good. Oh, I forgot the eggs. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Let me do the eggs. Needs to be 4 eggs. 1. 2. I'm gonna do 3 of the eggs because I think that's enough. That's that. Everything is well and properly mixed together. Now next up is the berries, and mix in all the berries. I like mine with a lot of berries, so that's why I did so much. Now with a spoon, you just want to like mix it around and put them in the berries. Put them in the mixture. So that's it. And then when it heats up, all the berries are gonna open and it's gonna be so delicious. Yes, that is it. That's how I make my blueberry banana bread. Right here we have my baking form and I covered it in baking paper because I do not, or parchment paper, because I do not want the cake or my banana bread to stick to the pan. So I just wanted to make sure that it comes out correctly. Now it's just pouring the batter into it. Then with a spatula, I just spoon everything out. The last thing I like to do is just take a pack of this vanilla sugar, and then I just throw it, like sprinkle it over. You know, like that. Do a whole pack like that. And then I take some of the berries that I have left and I just put them on top. And they will open when they become warm. So it's gonna be amazing. Oh, that one has a little stem. Okay, I think that's enough. And then next up, we bake this. ¿Qué pasa? Good morning, amiga. It is now the next day. My mom and I just came back from the farmer's market. We went and got fish for Benny because he asked me to bring that for him. And I'm now going to start getting ready and basically film the Ana Luisa video that I came here for. My sister is supposed to also come. So yeah, I think I'll see you after. I'll add in a few little clips of the little brunch that we're gonna do, but the actual video will be uploaded next week, so stay tuned for that. But yes, I'm now gonna get ready and I'll see you later when I'm going home. So yeah. I am back home and I have this nice package waiting for me. So I thought I would do a little unboxing. I'm gonna open it like this. And it has a little note that says Dankie, which means thank you. So the note says, Jenny, Dankie, Dankie, Dankie. This citrine baby is just for you. Am I right? With love, Lulu, from Lovely's by Lulu. And when you open it, it has a little sticker detail with Lulu's friends and everything. Ain't that cute? Ooh. Let me open it up. This is it, amiga. How beautiful is this? Beautiful. My hand is a little dry because of all the disinfecting that I've been doing today. But this is the bracelet. My new gem. Baby. Thank you so much, Lulu.